Hi, my name is Marita. I'm the health educator at Day One. We're gonna go through a quick 30-minute workout. Check it out. We're gonna go step by step. Make sure to do it 3 times.
Hinge at hips with arms outstretched overhead in a wide position, thumbs pointed up. Make sure to keep knees bent throughout exercise. Hinge at hips with arms outstretched overhead in a wide position, thumbs pointed up. Make sure to keep your knees bent throughout exercise. Place one foot in front, extend arms at shoulder height. Make sure to keep palms facing inward. Pull and bring right knee up towards stomach. Raise both arms to shoulder height. Make sure to stand nice and straight throughout exercise. Lower your body as if you're about to sit on a chair. And on the way up, bring hands to shoulder height, rotate shoulders outward, and raise arms overhead. Extend arms to keep body upright and lower yourself until your elbows are between 45 and 90 degrees.